Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cook radish leaves in Indian style. Start by thoroughly washing one large bunch of fresh radish leaves under cold running water, ensuring all dirt is removed. Then, carefully separate the leaves from any thick stems and finely chop them into small, manageable pieces. This careful preparation is key for an enjoyable texture and helps the greens cook evenly. These humble leaves are packed with vitamins and minerals, making them a fantastic addition to your meal. Gather your core Indian ingredients to infuse rich flavors into the greens. You will need 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and a pinch of asafoetida. Also, prepare 1 inch of ginger, 1 bulb of garlic, and 2 small green chilies, all finely minced or crushed. 1 medium onion, thinly sliced, will provide a sweet base. These simple yet potent ingredients combine to create an authentic and delightful taste experience. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of ghee or oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and allow them to splutter for a few seconds. Then, introduce 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them sizzle until fragrant, about 20 seconds. Quickly add the 1 finely sliced onion and sauté until it turns translucent, which takes about 4 to 5 minutes. This creates a deeply aromatic foundation before the main ingredients are added. Now, incorporate the minced ginger, garlic, and green chilies into the pan, stirring well for about 1 minute until fragrant. Add the finely chopped radish leaves to the pan. They will appear abundant at first, but will quickly wilt down. Stir in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, mixing thoroughly. Cover the pan and let the leaves cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing them to release their moisture and become tender.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.